Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a video you guys requested, which is the makeup and hair I wore to Fomo Festival a couple of weeks ago. Despite how it might look, it's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And if you take anything away from this video, the technique for the cheek glitter is super handy to know for any festival look. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below what festivals you are excited for this year. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So as you can see, I already have my base and brows done and a little bit of leftover eye makeup on from another video. So I thought I'd just leave that on since the focus of this video is the eyes. So first for the eyes, I'm taking Makeup Geek's Peach Smoothie just to start off the transition. The key to this look is having a really seamless fade and just slowly building up the colour. After that, I'm going in with Huda Beauty Blazing to intensify that orangey shade. To start off our halo shape, I am concentrating that colour on the outer and inner corner and more lightly taking it through the crease. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty's Saffron and doing the same shape as with the previous shade, so just applying that right in the outside corner and smoking it out and stamping it on the inner corner as well and dragging it lightly through the crease. I'm applying it kind of messily in the areas that I want it and then taking our peachy orangey shades to blend it out after I have the shades where I want them to be. I'm then going back and forth with applying the colour and blending it out till the blend is as seamless as I want it and the colour as vibrant as I want as well. Then to deepen up that red a little bit more, I'm taking Makeup Geek Bitten just on a pencil brush and very lightly applying that right in the outer corner. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the peachy orange shades first and smudging them pretty low down, and then with a smaller pencil brush applying the reds in the same halo shape as we did on the top lid, leaving the middle of the eyes free. I'm then taking Huda Beauty's Cashmere in the areas we left blank just to act as a base for our glitter. This is just going to help the glitter look like it blends out into the other shades a little bit better. For the glitter, I'm applying the Too Faced glitter glue right in the middle and lightly blending that out, and then going in with Porcelain by Lit Cosmetics and tapping that in the center and lightly blending it out with hardly any glitter on the brush just to fade it out into the other colors. I'm then doing the same in the space that we left on the lower lash line. I'm also applying the Huda Beauty Cashmere shade on the inner corner, but we are going to apply some more highlight there later. Quickly, I'm wiping away any glitter and fallout and applying some lashes and mascara. The key that I've found with applying lashes for festivals and keeping them on all day is applying some more lash glue on top after you've put them on, just to reinforce them. And if you can still see the glue, you can apply a little bit of liner just to cover that glue up. I'm then going to touch up my base and apply some more bronzer, blush and highlight. For the highlight, I'm taking the Inglot Shimmer Dust in the shade 07. For festivals, I like to go super intense with the highlighter just so I'm absolutely gleaming, especially when I'm doing the glitter cheeks as well, because it acts as a really nice base for that. Speaking of the glitter cheeks, I'm going to apply some glitter glue to the area with my finger, and then I'm going to take some of the shade we used on our eyes and apply that kind of like a highlighter to my cheekbones. I'm then putting a plastic bag down to catch the bigger glitter and tapping on a little bit more glitter glue and taking this glitter on my finger and tapping that on top. To finish off the glitter cheeks, I'm taking some stars and dipping them in the lash glue and popping them on randomly as well. I only did one glitter cheek for this video just because I didn't want to have to take off both, but usually I like to do the glitter cheeks on both cheekbones. Finally for lips, I'm taking the ABH lip gloss in Undressed, which I wear all the time and you've probably seen it before, but that's the makeup finished. Now onto the hair. It's super easy. All I did was split my hair in two and brush my hair out. On the day I straightened my hair as well, but because it was so hot it just went curly anyway, so I couldn't be bothered to straighten it for this video since it looked kind of cute with a little bit of a wave. I then tied up half of my hair just to get it out of the way and brought up the other half nice and high on the top back of my head. I brought forward my fringe before tying up the ponytail, and then I did the same to the other side. kind of wanted it to look a little bit messy, so I just fluffed it up lots, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy and perfect to keep your hair off your face for a hot summer's festival while still looking super duper cute. So that is the finished look that I wore to Fomo a couple weekends ago. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you use this for any festivals this year, and if you do, tag me in any pictures because I would love to see them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. I have a super exciting series coming up, so definitely click that bell icon down below to get notified when I next post. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.